PROMO-2, Robotic Duct Cleaning. Airside Balancing and Performance Testing. Animations and Graphics by Arvind Avan. Subject Matter Expert, Trainer, and Content Writer. Objectives. In an air conditioning system, the air is transported by ducts. Over a period of time, several impurities collect on the inside surfaces of the ducts. Some of the impurities are 1. Dust and dirt. Dust and dirt can accumulate in air conditioning ducts, particularly if the air filter is not regularly cleaned or replaced. This will result in poor IAQ and increase in energy consumption. 2. Allergens. Allergens such as pollen, pet dander, and dust mites can also accumulate in air conditioning ducts. This can cause allergies and respiratory issues for people who are sensitive to these allergens. Definitions. Pet dander. It is tiny flakes of skin shed by animals, such as dogs, cats, birds, and rodents, as well as proteins found in their saliva and urine. Dust mites. These are microscopic organisms that thrive in warm and humid environments, such as bedding, carpets, and upholstered furniture. Explore our 100% animated, 100% voiceover in English and Hindi, 100% industry aligned, 100% made in India, with creative graphics in 17 multimedia courses, in a wide range of HVAC topics and home appliances. No Google stuff. Contact us, world leaders in multimedia contents and trainings, on https://sbgblv.com, or mail to info@skolenberg.com.